How to fix TikTok video under review problem, 2026 guide. Is your TikTok video stuck on under review and not getting views? Don't worry, this usually happens due to automated content checks. Here's how to fix step by step. Why this happens. TikTok may review your video if it contains copyrighted music, it includes sensitive words or hashtags, it looks like reused or spam content, or your account recently violated guidelines. Fix 1. Wait a few minutes. Sometimes reviews take 5 to 30 minutes. Avoid deleting and re-uploading immediately. This can make it worse. Fix 2. Check for community guideline violations. Go to Profile, tap the 3 lines, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Account Check. If there's a violation, remove or edit the flagged content. Fix 3. Edit caption and hashtags. Avoid sensitive keywords, misleading hashtags, spam-style captions. Keep captions simple and clean. Fix 4. Use original content only. Make sure the video is 100% original, no watermarks from other platforms, no reused viral clips. TikTok's system often reviews reused content. Fix 5. Update the app. Open Play Store or App Store, search TikTok, tap Update. Outdated versions can trigger review issues. Fix 6. Appeal if needed. If your video gets restricted, open the notification, tap Appeal, and follow the instructions. Sometimes manual review restores the video. Quick summary. Wait, check violations, fix caption, use original content, update app, appeal if needed. After following these steps, your TikTok video should move out of review and start getting views normally.